Next, I'd like to talk about changing these parameters. First, let's go ahead and right-click this layer. Choose Transform, Reset, and now all the values go back to their default values. Let me collapse and expand this again so that we can see all of the transform properties, and I'll make this a little bit larger. There you go. If I scrub these numbers, obviously changes happen in the layer. Now, these changes are known as global changes because I'm just changing the value. I'm not changing it over time. However, if I would like to change these values over time, I would need to keyframe them. Keyframe is an old animation term in which you would have a main animator drawing something in a particular state, and then you would have the same animator drawing the same something in a different state, and then the assistant animators will draw the in-between frames so that the object or character would just go from one state to the next gradually. It is the same thing in After Effects. We need to determine 2 or more states of a particular value, and then After Effects will draw all the in-between frames for us. Notice that to the left of all of these properties, there's a little icon, and that icon is in the shape of a stopwatch. Right now, the stopwatch is closed. In other words, no changes in time are possible. As soon as I click on one of them, say the position one, now a couple of things happen. The stopwatch opens, a keyframe gets added in the timeline, and I get a keyframe navigator here on the left. Clicking on the stopwatch only means that changes in time are possible. Even though it just added a keyframe, it doesn't really mean that clicking on it again will add another keyframe. So if I move in time and I click on the stopwatch again, all I'm really doing is deleting all the keyframes that I made before, because I am now indicating that changes in time are not possible. So let's go ahead and do that again. Let me move my CTI all the way to the beginning. Open the stopwatch. Move in time, and now to create another keyframe, I can do one of two things. I can click in the middle icon here of the keyframe navigator, or I can just change the value. If I change the value of position, After Effects recognizes this, and it will immediately create a keyframe for me at the point in time where the CTI is. Right now, we have interpolation. Our clip is going from left to right. All right, let's do this again. Select your layer and delete it by pressing the delete key. This time, let's draw a circle. Let's use the ellipse tool. To access the ellipse tool, all you need to do is click and hold on the rectangle tool, and then these other tools will appear. Draw a circle in the middle. To move the circle, all you need to do is press and hold the space bar while still holding the mouse button down. If you would like to constrain it to a perfect circle, press and hold the Shift key, and there you go, perfect circle. Release the mouse button before you release the Shift key. Go back to your selection tool, and let's position this on the left. Press the letter P for position, and there you go, the position parameter appears. Click on the stopwatch. Move in time with the CTI, and scrub your values. There you go. So right now, our clip is going from left to right. If we would like to go back left, all we need to do is select this keyframe, copy it. The shortcut for copy is Control or Command C. Move with the CTI to where you would like to paste, and paste. That is Control or Command V. And there you go. Left, right, left. If you would like for this motion to be faster, all you need to do is move the keyframes closer together. Just click on them and drag them left or right, and there you go. We'll have faster animation. If you would like to start with this not moving, all you need to do is move the keyframe to the right a little bit, and there you go. Between the beginning of the layer and the first keyframe, there will be no changes. The changes really only occur in between the keyframes. So if I want to move from left to right again, I want it to remain to the right for a little bit. All I need to do is copy the second keyframe, Control or Command C, move in time with the CTI, and Control or Command V to paste. Now my clip will start on the left, stay to the left for a little bit, move to the right, stay to the right for a little bit, and then move back left.